You can set and customize an alert to monitor any changes on your structured data analysis. From setting up an alert, you can have it just be through one change or be in conjunction with other rules. Simply click the bell sign button and then the blue plus sign button to open the alert editor. Select the fields you need to monitor, give it a name, and add messages if needed. And then we can set the rules together with the changes value as we want. There are and or rules applicable for different cases. Here, let's say I need my number of records to be increased by 3,000 and the sentiment score to be decreased by 1. Or I can have my number of records increased by 20% for it to be significant and the sentiment score to be decreased by 1. We can share the alert notification with different users, so others will also receive the notification triggered by this alert. Once we finish, click Save to get it started.